got me itching like an anthill. In Juice WRLD. Yeah, I definitely need to find a better way to mount this mic. I don't think it's going anywhere. I don't know if it's gonna fall off. I feel like it's not going to, but like there's always that possibility. Okay. So I got a new tire yesterday, and like they told me for like 50 kilometers or something, no leaning and whatever, no fucking around and shit. I should go towards the sun. Why am I going away from the sun? I should ride into the sun. My ups and downs, I'll jot them down in London town. Mic check, camera check. I don't know which way I want to go. I wanted to go towards the sunset, but I'm literally going the wrong way. I don't know. Fuck if I know. I just work here. I don't know anything. I just work here. This is the first time I had a new tire on the motorcycle. So like it feels super nice. I don't know to what extent I have to follow the rule of break it in for 50 kilometers before leaning in anything. So like I'm just having a chill ride right now. Fuck is that? Perky got me itching like an anthill. Drugs killing me softly right here. Sometimes I don't know how to fit. I smell weed. 69. Why is this guy so close behind me? I don't like it. Get away from me. Get away from me. Go change your oil. Mic check. Mic check. Mic's still there. Can they hear me? Or did I fuck up all the footage? Hopefully not. I'll be really sad. I'll be really sad, guys. Hey. I love that shit. Yo. What are you doing? Where are you going? These two Hondas are talking to each other. Should I pass by them and give them a little rev or what? That thing's cool as fuck. Beautiful sunset. What a beautiful sunset. I don't want to be going straight anymore. This is boring. I'm just riding towards the sun at this point. This sign says YOLO. You only list once. HeyRay.ca is free advertising if you guys want to call a bald guy with glasses for I don't know what it's for. That's an ADHD advertisement for you. Where are you going? That lane ends, dude. Go? No, I'm gonna follow them home. I'm kidding. Look at that beautiful sunset. I want a 600RR as the next bike, but maybe I'll get an adventure bike. You get the best of both worlds, Han Montana with the bike. Adventure bike, you have off-road and street bike. Like, man. But I do want a 600RR. I was gonna get one as my first bike, and insurance laughed at me. Cows! Hi, cows. Should I pull over and go up to that? No, I'm scared. Ew, it smells like cow shit. We're in farmland. We're in the boonies, baby. I'm just chasing the sunset. Look at that open land there. Looks like it's somewhere where you would get abducted by aliens. Holy shit. These people got money. Oh, this is your house. Or something. Oh, that was roadkill. I missed it. Thank God. That was disgusting. I like saw the guts and everything. Very unsettling. Did not appreciate it. the damn microphone, and I don't trust pulling over anywhere over here, mainly because there's nobody here, which seems safe when you think about it, but then when you really think about it, this is when people would attack. That guy's chilling. I don't know when the fuck this thing stopped recording. Probably when I kept moving the mic around. Fuck. Jesus Christ. I'm cheesed. Whatever. I don't want to go this way anymore. Look at that bird. I'm scared of birds. I tried it and never she see the pills in my heart. Tell her that I'm hot, but she don't seem surprised. Old school road. Let's go left. Motherfucker! Thank God I don't have balls. That shit would have hurted so bad. 10th line. I think I gotta go this way. Maybe I'll just stop here for a second and check really quick, cause